Hello everyone, here at 53 Canal Street, Pulver Studios. This is our newest acquisition. It's on Canal Street, like I said, it's right off of West Main Street. It is located in the Nationally Registered Historic Susan B. Anthony neighborhood. I'm trying to get a shot of this with this car here. It is 3 stories and it is about 16,000 square feet. We have about 5,000 to 6,000 square feet per floor. And we are starting to reactivate the space by just having really lo-fi type of events there. We're setting up a maker's market. We're setting up a nonprofit fundraiser with Rochester Innovation. They're going to sell a lot of the junk, not junk, but it's actually furniture in there. But there's comic books and old records and stuff like that in there that they can sell and keep the proceeds to help fundraise. And the reason why we're doing that in terms of reactivating the space before we know what we're going to do with it is to get people acclimated to the neighborhood, familiar with the project, familiar with us. And so it's actually a great way to curate tenants, potential tenants out of that, instead of just putting it up on LoopNet or listing it with a real estate broker, because oftentimes your best fits of people are people that aren't actually actively looking. So I'm going to take you on an interior tour. Hope you enjoy. And if you are a photographer or a videographer, or you're a band looking for a space to record like a music video, something like that, definitely hit me up. Definitely love to get some coverage of the space. It's really, really cool. Absolutely enjoy. So this is the first floor of 53 Canal Street. This one actually is a little bit different from the second floor in that it has much higher windows. The windows are about 2 feet taller than the ones upstairs, which is good, which actually let even more natural light in down here. So great for happiness, but also great for creative, artistic purposes. And this first floor space is what we're looking to have a sort of setting up some pop-ups and takeovers. So in December, second Saturday, December 11th and the 12th, we have a collaboration with Rochester Innovation. They're going to be coming in and selling a lot of the furniture we have up on the 3rd floor, and then helping us get rid of it, one, so we save on dumpster fees, and then number 2, keeping the stuff out of landfills and hopefully repurposed and loved again in somebody's home. So this is space here, a little bit darker right now because all the windows are boarded up. We'll get those opened up in the next couple of months. Have no idea what to use this thing for. And then there's this as well, just couldn't bring ourselves to throw it out. This is an old scanner. It's actually like an analog scanner. We'd take a picture of a picture, so to speak, that's placed in this glass, and then put it onto a negative so that it could be used for high production runs. So if you do have anybody who could reuse that, definitely put them in touch with us. We give it away, not free. I mean, not free delivery, no delivery included. So this super cool chair is just dying to be released. So I'm going to show you the second floor of the building at 53 Canal Street, the old Pulver Chewing Gum factory. Each floor is about 5,000 to 6,000 square feet. Second floor is usually the best one to show just because it doesn't have as much stuff in it as the first and third floor. But you can see you got pretty high ceilings, about 12 feet, and a lot of nice potential for natural light. You can see that there's actually a pretty fair amount of natural light coming in, even though the half of the windows are boarded up. So pretty cool space. We got some structural issues right up here we need to take care of. It's an old beam from an old roof leak. Thankfully, the roof is newer. The windows are actually in pretty fantastic shape. They're just boarded up. They need window panes reinstalled, reglazed. And this is the next project our team is going to be moving over to from 9 Canal Street to work on. Start fixing the windows, fix that structural problem there, and then we are engaging our architect, come up with plans. We're looking to rent each of these floors in their entirety, hopefully. I think that would kind of bastardize the space if we had to like cut it up into individual rooms. But at the very least, if we were to divide this into 2, possibly dividing it down the center line right here into 2 larger studio spaces, that we would have a common area hallway that's in the front here. They would connect the 2 spaces, and then a common area hallway in the back right here. This is actually a freight elevator that can be used, goes right down to a loading dock. And we have bathrooms and plumbing at each floor too. So we are showing the space. If you have any use for it, definitely love to have it. It's available for photo shoots, as well as I think it would be great for music video shoots as well, or any type of pop-up event that you might have in mind for your organization. We're kind of organizing these monthly takeovers, so but definitely reach out. Thanks.